Well, hello there. I'm just about to do a tiny little video about how we make fresh water on board ship. So I'm going to do picture in picture, and I'm going to talk over the video that I've just shot because it's too loud in the engine room to explain things. So forgive me if it doesn't come across too good, but this is only my second attempt on board ship and it's rolling like a pig at the moment. So I'll try and get it out in for the next couple of days. Anyway, I'll catch you in the video. Right, first of all, I have to tell you what a heat exchanger is. This large thing here with the big blue plates at the ends is a plate cooler, but it's very similar to the heat exchangers in this freshwater generator that I'm going to show you. The green pipe that you see there, that's the outlet, and down the bottom is the seawater inlet. And as you can see on that insulated pipe, an arrow going the other way. So we have a contraflow system with the fresh water. So here's the plates. It looks like it's honeycomb, but it's not. It's actually the pattern in the plates. So what you do is you have hot water going one way and cold water going the other way, and the hot water gets cooler and the seawater gets warmer. But anyway, that's how we cool our jacket cooling water. It's cooled by seawater. So here we go. This is the freshwater generator. It's made by Alfa Laval, and that big red thing is a fire engine, and it's always on every ship put in the wrong place because you have to get to it from right over there. You've got to walk past that generator, which could be on fire, to get to that, or you walk past this lot, which could also be on fire, to get to it, and it's really awkward. Anyway, that's not why you called. So there we go. This Alfa Laval freshwater generator uses waste heat from the engines to heat up the seawater under a vacuum. The seawater actually does three jobs. One, it cools down the steam that's produced from the heating element. It also provides feed water, so that keeps the thing topped up with salt water, and it also pulls a vacuum. That top part is the cooling section, and the bottom part is the heating section. So seawater is heated to boiling point under a vacuum. Our jacket water is about 70 something degrees, 78 degrees, which is enough to boil the water at almost near perfect vacuum, and the water vapor or the steam rises to the top and is condensed by the seawater cooling. In a minute I'm going to show you a pipe. I should have scripted this as I was filming it. So just wait for me to catch up on the video. So there we go. That light greeny coloured pipe actually goes down to a pump that pumps the fresh water out. So it comes out from there, down that pipe, into the pump, and it's pumped to the storage tanks, which is down aft. We have about a storage facility of 200 tonnes of fresh water. That will last us a good 4 weeks. And the last bit I'm going to show you, this is a control panel, and to be honest, we don't use it, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But there you go, that's it. That's our freshwater generator. Yeah, it's getting a bit rough out here now, and as you can see, it's a bit difficult to stand upright. I'm trying to stay as vertical as I can with the ship moving around me, and it's quite difficult actually. So yeah, it's the camera is staying rock steady in its vertical and horizontal axis, and what you see is a ship moving around me, not me moving. So, but yeah, anyway, so that was the freshwater generator. I hope it was made clear. We use our jacket cooling water that we use for the main engine, comes out at about 80 something degrees, and that's what we're using to create fresh water. So we're using the waste heat from the engines to create fresh drinking water from seawater. And on the big ships that I was on, we used to make at least 30 tons a day with the freshwater generators, and we'd only use something like 20 tons of fresh water a day, so we'd have a plus of maybe 10 tons of water to fill our tanks up. Anyway, so that's it. That was the so that's our freshwater generator, and that's what we do if we wanted to make fresh water. I won't tell a lie, we don't use it on here simply because we don't normally have that many engines running all the time, because we need 3 engines on all the time to make the fresh water. And of course, when we're out here fishing, the engines are starting and stopping, so we will have to be constantly starting and stopping the freshwater generator. So we don't want to do that, so we don't use it. But we do have over 200 tons of fresh water on board, which is enough for at least a 4-week voyage, as we've done in the past. So we know that we can go 4 weeks without making any fresh water, and it's much more convenient just to load it as soon as we get into port. Anyway, so that's it then. That's how we make our fresh water, and I hope you liked it, and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Anyway, I'll catch you all later. See you then. Bye then.